Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make coriander chicken salad. This is one of my favorite chicken recipes. Hope you will like it too. First, prepare a chicken breast and cut it into slices. Add 1 spoon of cooking wine, 1 spoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of starch. Mix well and let it marinate for 15 minutes. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the chicken into the pan. Stir fry until the chicken is cooked. Turn off the fire and put the chicken into a bowl. Now we need to prepare the sauce. We need to mash some garlic. Chop some scallion. Add half spoon of sesame seeds, half spoon of chili powder. Prepare the pan and heat some oil. Pour the hot oil into a small bowl. Hot oil will make the garlic and scallion taste better. Now add 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of vinegar, half spoon of oyster sauce. Mix well and pour the sauce to the chicken. Now cut some coriander. Mix well and this dish is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.